Hey, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I know y'all see me in my little HelloFresh box and whatnot. Yeah, you know. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a different video. Okay, we are going to be doing a cook with me. So, you know, sometimes we cook in the vlogs and whatnot, not a lot, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't really like to cook. I cook when I have to, you know what I'm saying? And I really want to get out of that. So, babe purchased us some HelloFresh. The video's not sponsored, but HelloFresh, if you're looking at this, hello, I'm available, okay? Shoot me an email. My manager will get back to you. Thanks so much. I'm in a cooking mood today, and I find it super easy to prepare meals with HelloFresh simply because they have instructions, they have all the ingredients. I ain't got to go buy nothing extra. It's just all there and just ready for me to go ahead and cook it. So that is my favorite part about HelloFresh. We have had the HelloFresh subscription before. We've had every plate. I honestly love meal services. So yeah, we just started back. As you guys know, probably told y'all before, I'm doing keto, okay? I'm back on keto as a matter of fact. But what you gonna see is a little bit of me cheating because this is not technically keto food from HelloFresh, okay? I'm gonna do my best. I've been losing weight. We're almost 10 pounds down, okay? But we're just gonna enjoy some food today. If y'all are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber Sharnice, and if you like what you see, go ahead and binge watch some of my videos. And if you found that you just really love me, you just fell in love with little old me, smash the subscribe button. You know, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Okay, you guys ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. So let's head over to the refrigerator. Like when I turn my head and stuff, y'all best not talk about my BDBs, okay? Don't talk about my BDBs. So of course, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below to get you some money off your HelloFresh, simply because I want some money off mine. And if you don't mind supporting me and I support you, we help each other, then please definitely use the link in the description box so I can continue to get me some HelloFresh. Okay, so we actually got the 4-person, 4 different meals. Well, 4 meals that feeds 4. That makes a lot more sense. But yeah, so we got the street cart style turkey bowls, and it looks like it has the rice and stuff. That's what it looked like. Okay, but you know what's crazy? I'm the most horrific rice cooker in the world. I can't cook rice to save my life. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get Babe in here and have him cook the rice. Cause he is so smart. I was not back there. He bought a rice cooker. And I'm so slow that I can't even work the rice cooker. Shh. So let's go ahead and grab this out of the fridge.
Every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Let's take the content out of the package. That looks real creepy back there, though. Let me just, yeah, let me do that. Let me do that. Okay, so it gives you all the stuff that it has in it. Looks like we got some scallions. We love scallion. Mega the scallion. We also have a cup of jasmine rice, a lemon, whole pita bread. I did not know pita bread came with this. He likes pita bread. A cucumber. We got some mayo, garlic powder, sliced almonds, shawarma spice blend. I have no idea what that means. Chicken stock. Yeah, chicken stock. Sour cream. Cholula hot sauce. More Cholula. And then we have more chicken stock and more Cholula. I feel like the commercials to say Cholula. All right, so that's all the ingredients that we are going to need for this particular meal. Oh, I forgot doggone meat. Hold on, y'all. Got the meat. This is the ground turkey family pack. My problem comes in when it comes to like the instructions. I kind of be moving around instead of doing exactly what the instructions say. But I knew first and foremost, that we was gonna have to cook this rice, because you know the rice gonna take the longest. So I knew that. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna cook the rice. A lot of rice. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna cook the rice. But honestly, I'm gonna do it how this thing says. I'm not gonna call babe for help. Babe! But it says I have to have a tablespoon of butter.
Okay.
And then it also says I have to add 1/4 turmeric.
You know how to do it, isn't it?
It should be in there somewhere. And then it says salt and pepper. I knew that after I guess.
1.5 cups of water.
Okay, you gonna do that for me? Can you please help me?
I just helped you. I just literally washed the rice, did everything.
I don't know how to turn it on.
Just close the lid.
I'm a damsel in distress. I need help. What this whole thing do?
It said teaspoon, tablespoon in it? It didn't say the whole thing.
Okay, so now it's time to cut up our veggies. So we gotta cut up our Megan the Scallions. They're Megan the Scallions. They're scallions. Do you not find it funny? Go away. I can't work with you hovering me. Got it all clean. Now I'm all wet. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything cut up. We're gonna start. Please don't do that at home. We're gonna start with the onion. So it wants us to cut these into quarters. Oh shoot, am I doing that right? There we go. There's the quarters. And then it also wants us to dice the cucumber. Ooh, cutting this little cucumber is just so smooth. I love it. But it smells very much like a pickle. I mean, I know cucumbers and pickles are the same thing, okay? But I'm just saying, it really smells like it's been like pickled already. That's what I'm saying, okay? Y'all think I can have me one of those little cooking shows on like the little country channels? Get my Julia Childs on. Is that her name, Julia Childs? My daddy used to call me Julia Childs when I was little. And I used to try to cook and stew and sell stuff on the infomercial. All right, so next we got our scallions, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and cut those up. All right, y'all, so I got everything all chopped up, all nice and fine like it asked me to. And so now step number 3 is to make white sauce. So in a small bowl, combine sour cream, mayonnaise, garlic powder, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Add water, 1 teaspoon at a time until sauce reaches drizzly consistency. Season with salt and pepper. Okay, that sounds easy enough. I don't think I need bake for that, right? All right, some of that mayo. It's funny how people don't really, a lot of people that say they don't like mayo and don't realize how much mayo is in like a whole bunch of stuff, and you wouldn't even know it. I just love that glue. It gets under me. I don't know what he's saying, y'all, but I love it. It gets on me, on you. Da, 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 do. Ooh, them scallions are getting to my eyes. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you something about that glue song. I did not like that song at first because I felt like that was not Usher and they were doing some AI engineering in the studio. And I was actually very upset because I was like, Usher would not be on this song hollering like this. Like, what? Well, we know he does a little falsetto and all that good stuff, but he wouldn't be up here hollering like that. That's because I heard the radio version first. And then I saw that when he would perform the song, and it just sounded so much better. And of course, you watching Usher perform the song, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna look better too. So, I was like, I like this song now. It's a really good song. I really do. I love that song now. So the live version sounds way better than the recorded version because that recorded version had me going. The only part that I knew it was him is when he came out of the falsetto. Cause like, all on me, or something on you. He was saying something like that, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, okay, that's Usher. I was like, well, maybe it's Usher and somebody else that's, you know, doing too much on the song. But it was just little Ush. Yeah, little Ush. Then it says do a little salt and pepper, so I'm gonna do a little salt. And y'all know I love my little salt thing. If y'all go back on my video, Amazon, home, find something like that, you'll find a link. My little pepper, okay. That should be enough, right? And then let's go ahead and get some of this lemon juice. There we go. Oh, this is so much better than squeezing it yourself. Oh my God. So I ain't got to get all messy. You know what I'm saying? My little people gonna be so happy they're gonna come home and get some food with y'all already. They be like, oh my God, Mom, you cooks. Somebody come stop me.
Smell like Doritos.
It smells like Doritos. Doritos Los Tacos. Let's stir this up, and then I'm gonna add that water to get the drizzle consistency that it told me that I needed. All right, y'all, I'm just putting a little water in there. I think it might be a little too loose. Hold on. Let's see if we can thicken her back up. You like our girls thick. 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 All right, you guys, so our next instructions is to cook the turkey. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add scallion whites and cook until fragrant for 30 to 60 seconds. And then we can add our turkey shawarma. Add turkey and then cook, breaking the meat up into pieces. Okay, we can do that. And then stir in stock concentrates in a 1/4 cup of water. 1/3 cup for 4 people. Reduce heat to medium low, and then blah 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 blah. I'm gonna get this big old one right here, and we gonna use this. Come on, let's go. It is all on me. Can y'all see my beady beads? Are they very noticeable? What we're gonna do right now is we're going to go ahead and we're gonna put our scallions. My beady beads ain't distracting y'all, is it? Because I feel like, well, this side might be all right, but this side right here, my beady beads are distracting. I know, I'm so sorry. I apologize in advance to everybody that's trying to pay attention, but you can't pay attention because the beady beads are doing what they want to do. I'm gonna use this little thing. It actually came with the rice cooker, but it's just so cute. I just love it so much, so I'm gonna use it, okay? Kind of stir, give it a little stir. Stir it around. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna work on opening up our meat. It looks really pink on camera. It's actually not that. It ain't that pink. Oh, y'all, talk about the news. Okay. So y'all know there was a fight, the Floyd Mayweather fight. And you know, they was posting stuff on, you know, Shade Room and stuff leading up to the fight, and like all the artists that came and did like the intros and stuff. But I don't think they ever said who won the fight. Did anybody know who won the fight? I don't know. All I just know about all the fights after the fight. Everybody was fighting. But did Floyd win the fight? Or just was it one of those, you know, play fights and they didn't really do like who won, who lost type of thing? I really hate those. I really feel like y'all gonna be out there fighting. Somebody be like winning for real. Oh Lord jeez, I'm talking to y'all, burnt my scallion. I done burnt Megan scallion. There's a joke. Oh my God, no. I left it on high by that mistake. Let me do my seasoning and stuff that it told me to do, y'all. What, before I forget. It's getting a little treacherous in here. I'm getting a little hot, you know. It's getting a little hot out here in these streets. So, I've been at it for a little while, and I think we're gonna see it through. Am I supposed to add something else? I'll add all the stalks in once this is fully cooked, and I get a little bit of water in there. Water. All right, guys, so the meat is pretty much done cooking, and the rice is done as well. It does say that I have to put, let me see, the almonds, the green, half the green scallions, and crap. I forgot to toast the pitas. Do I want toasted pita or just want? I'm good on having toasted pita bread because, you know, I don't need no toasted pita bread. I'll just take a nice one because I like my pita bread to be soft, you know? So I'm just holding this all willy-nilly. I'm gonna put this on the plate and put it in the microwave for a few seconds. Then I'm gonna put like the almonds and the scallions over in the rice, and then we're gonna plate our dish.
Bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can kick it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Tight high heels, this is how you make me feel. Lips gloss, teeth white.
All right, you guys, here is my dish. It's what we cooked, y'all. My little bread keep falling. Hold on, let me take a picture real quick. It's time to try it. Let's see what it tastes like. This is a whole bunch of different stuff that I would never put together probably. So, especially these cucumbers. Y'all know I told you I don't want to like cucumber like that. But I'm really excited to give it a shot. Something that's different, okay? Oh snap. I feel like I'm eating that tzatziki. Y'all can't see my twerk, hold on. Twerk, 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 twerk. It's good, I'm happy. Woo. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, towards the end I got really nervous because I felt like we were just putting in so many seasonings and so many flavors, but it actually tastes really good. And I actually like the cucumber in there. I can't believe that. Only thing I'm worried about is this turmeric in this rice. That's gonna get my teeth the same. My teeth is just, they feel me messed up. But this is good. And the pita bread is good too. Well, y'all, this has brought us to the end of the video. I am enjoying my little meal here. I can't believe it tastes so good. Cause don't none of it look like it's supposed to go together. Y'all just be honest. I know when y'all was looking at it on the little picture, y'all was like, it's a little too different. But it's actually really good. As I was saying, that concludes our little cooking segment for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, if you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Please let me know if y'all liked it because I can make more content like this. If y'all don't really care for it, you know, forget y'all, it's all right, but you know, I gotta keep doing it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I forgot about the Cholula. Put a little Cholula for some spices. Cholula be hot though. You know what? That's all right. I'm good. I don't need Cholula. Come try it. It's good. Next test. Come on the camera. Well, people can see it. I want them. You better eat it. Is it delicious? You don't like the cucumbers? I don't like cucumbers either, but it's actually kind of good. It complements everything.
Not everything but cucumber.
We'll eat the rest of that. Give us a description of the taste and the flavors and all that stuff.
Good.
I need more than that. Look, I'm tearing it up. Tearing it up. Yeah, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know how you like the video. And if you guys want to see more content just like this, make sure that you let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next upload.